Hello, and welcome to the how-to video for how to manage an active power of attorney, POA, in MyFTB. In this video, you will learn how to update and manage active power of attorneys using MyFTB. Within the client list, you can filter for relationship status. From the relationship status dropdown, let's filter for active relationships. Once a POA is marked active, additional options for managing the POA become available. And now MyFTB displays the search results for all active individual clients. Let's select View Details on the first one. The first difference you'll notice is the Revoke button. This only displays for active relationships. Once you select the Revoke button, you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to revoke the entire declaration. Once you select Confirm, you will no longer be authorized to represent the taxpayer. This also revokes the POA for all the other listed representatives. We'll cancel out of this so we can look at other changes you can make to an active power of attorney. The other portion of an active POA declaration that you can update is the representative information. You can access this by selecting the Manage Representatives button. You can make 4 types of changes to the representatives of an active POA. First, if you requested the Add Representative authorization on the POA, you will be presented with 2 ways to add a representative. Second, you can change which representative is designated as primary. Since we only contact the primary representative, it is important that you let us know who we should contact. The exception is for email notifications. When your client has a notice available in MyFTB, we will send an email to all the representatives that have an email address listed on the POA. Third, you can remove a specific representative from the POA. This will remove only that representative from the POA. You will retain your authorizations. Notice that there is not a remove link for the primary representative. If you need to remove this representative, you will need to select another primary representative first. When you select the remove link, you will be prompted to confirm you want to remove that representative. If you select Remove, the name is removed from the list. This won't take effect until you select Save. So, if you realize you removed the wrong person, you can cancel the changes. We'll do that here. The last type of change is to edit contact information for the representative. When you select the Edit link, MyFTB displays the name and ID numbers for the representative you selected. You cannot edit these on the POA. Below this, however, you can change the addresses, phone numbers, fax numbers, or email addresses. In this example, MyFTB shows the information on the declaration as well as the addresses, phone numbers, etc. from your profile. When you made the required changes, select the Update button. Once again, you'll be prompted to review any changes you've made and select Save. When you do this, you will return to the Power of Attorney detail page. Most changes take effect on the same day, but we may need up to 7 days to process the addition of a new representative. If you need to update another POA, you can go back to your client list and select the next one to modify. If you only have 1 or 2 POAs that need updating, this can be easy. But let's say you need to make one of these changes to lots of POA declarations. We have this option. From the Services menu, you can select Update Multiple POA Declarations. MyFTB offers 4 types of changes that you can make to multiple POA declarations at once. The first option is to update your email address on multiple POAs. This is the best thing to do if you get an email from us saying that a client has a new notice available but we're unable to send the message to the email address on the POA. You can use this service to make sure all active POAs have the correct email address. The second option is to add a new representative from your associates list. This is handy when you have a new partner. When you select this option, we will show you all active POAs with the Add Representative authorization. You can select which POAs to add your associate to. The third option is to remove yourself or another representative from a POA. Let's walk through this option. The first thing you need to do is select which representative you want to remove. MyFTB lists all representatives who are included on your active POA declarations. You are listed first, so you can choose yourself or one of the other representatives. Please note, you do not need specific authorization to remove a representative. For this example, we will select Joe Smith to remove. MyFTB will then display the list of all active POA declarations where you and Joe are both representatives. This will include POAs for all client types. In this example, there is both a business and an individual POA that meet this condition. You can check this box to select all of the POA declarations, or you can manually select the specific ones you want to remove Joe from. If you want to review the details of the POA before you select it, you click the declaration number link, and the details will appear in a new window. Let's select all declarations since Joe's retiring. Congratulations, Joe! You will have a final chance to review your update before you submit it. When you're ready, select Submit. And you'll get confirmation of your changes. It can take up to 24 hours for us to remove Joe from all of the declarations, especially if you're updating hundreds of POAs. Since you're removing Joe from just 2 POAs, they'll be updated within seconds. This brings us back to the final option, which is to revoke multiple POA declarations. It's important to remember that revoking a POA ends the relationship for both you and any other representative on the POA. This is a full termination of the POA. When you select this option, MyFTB displays all your active POA declarations. As you saw with the Remove option, you can select all the POAs by checking the top box, select specific POAs, or select the declaration number link to view the details to confirm you are selecting the correct one. Again, you will have a final chance to review your updates before you submit, and you'll get confirmation when we receive the update. At this point, you have learned to manage your active POAs, which includes adding and removing representatives from your associates list, revoking POAs, and updating the email to be sure you get notifications related to your active POAs. Thank you for watching. Learn more about MyFTB, how to register, log in, get help, and stay up to date on changes to MyFTB. Visit www.ftb.ca.gov. Select the MyFTB account link at the top of the page. The MyFTB account page will display. Here you have 2 options to log into MyFTB. You can select Login to My Account or MyFTB Login. To create a MyFTB account, you can select Create an Account. To learn about what features are currently available to you in MyFTB, you can select Features, or to learn about newly added or updated features, select What's New. For help with MyFTB, select Help on the left-hand side for self-help options, or contact us toll-free at 800-353-9032, or from outside the U.S. at 916-845-2829, weekdays, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Keep in mind the Franchise Tax Board is closed on state holidays.